Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry for being this inconsistent. I did not post any video. I'm really sorry. And also sorry for my really bad handwriting. So let's start with the data science roadmap. It is something I've taken from the internet. It is not something I have curated. I am learning as I'm teaching. So we'll start with the basic programming thing, which is Python. We'll do core Python. We'll do 4 libraries, 2 of which are NumPy Pandas, and the other 2 are visualization libraries, that is Matplotlib and Seaborn. Moving on, we will do stats and ML. I don't know what we are going to cover in this, but we'll figure that out while we're on this journey. And after that, data science course, so we have to deal with data. So all these are, I guess, somewhat related to databases and how to manage and organize data. And I'm really sorry for the color I chose. I know the yellow might not be that much visible. I'll make sure I use better colors next time. Thank you for watching. See you soon.